everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, today's video is gonna be all about this braided wig right here. Now, a company by the name of SITPRETTYHAIR reached out to me, asked me to review one of their braided wigs. So they sent over this one right here. So I will definitely get into details about this wig. I will show you guys the construction of the wig, which is not much to it. This wig is pretty much like a put on and go. Okay, so if you was in the house with the Afro puff and you decide you want to get cute and go to the store, but you want to switch up your hairstyle and you decided you want some braids at the last minute, this is like the perfect wig. Okay, you just put it on and take it off. Very simple. So I definitely will be showing you guys how the construction of the wig looks, and then I will give you guys some details about this wig as well. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing about this wig from SITPRETTYHAIR, then keep watching. So as you guys saw in the previous clip, there's not much to the construction of this wig, okay, when it comes to the cap. So it had a little bit of lace right here where the middle part is at, because it is basically a closure braided wig. And then of course they did add an elastic band. So all you have to do is put it on and go, okay? Very simple. This is one of those wigs that's very simple for beginners and lazy girls and all that stuff. Like, it is super easy to put on. So of course, make sure you guys check the description box below, because I will leave the link to this wig down there for you guys if you are interested in purchasing this wig. But once again, this is from SITPRETTYHAIR, and this is their small knotless box braided wig with a lace closure. Now the length that they sent me is 28 inches and the color is 350. So the length is waist length. I will definitely show you guys how it looks very soon, but it retails for about $175. But if you don't want to pay $175, they do have it to where you can pay 4 payments of $43.75. So either way, they are all for affordability, okay? So if you don't want to pay that $175 in one sitting, go ahead and divide your payments into the $43.75. Now again, the lace type is a lace closure. It's neatly braided for long-term use, guaranteed to last for 2 years with proper care. It comes with an adjustable strap for extra fitness. All processing time, all wigs are handmade. And it takes about 3 weeks after you place an order. Shipping takes about 3 to 5 business days after they dispatch. And if the color you want is not listed on the color options, just kindly leave a note for them. They do have other colors, of course. They have a chart that you guys can look at. They have basic colors, light colors, special colors, mixed colors, and two-tone colors. So again, the length is about 28 inches, so it is waist length. And once again, all of their braided wigs are handmade with bleached knots, made with 100% human hair, cap base, and I don't never know how to say this, but the canical, y'all know what I'm trying to say. The extensions. For their cap base, they use a frontal cap, which hair only from ear to ear. They use a closure cap, which has hair only at the top center of the wig. They have the 360 cap, which has hair around the circumference of the wig. And then a full lace wig, which is a type of wig used for each style. You know, just lace all around so you could wear the wig any type of way that you want. And then maintenance, they let you know how to take care of the hair and all of that stuff. So again, this is a lace closure wig, okay? Now, I forgot to mention to you guys, they sent me a really cute bonnet. If y'all saw that big old bonnet, I really do appreciate it. It's super cute. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into this wig a little bit more. Now, I am loving the color of this wig. If I haven't said it already, it's definitely my color. So again, it is waist length, okay? It is waist length, so it is going to my waist, as y'all can see. So the length is not bad at all. This is definitely a lot of hair, okay? I can definitely feel it. It is a little bit heavy because it is a lot of hair, and these are the small box braids. And again, they are knotless. So this is a lot of hair. A lot of hair, but it is really cute. Really cute. Y'all know I'm not a huge fan of braided wigs, but this one is way different compared to what I have had in the past for reviewing. And it's handmade. And it's just, this is really pretty. Really pretty. So yeah, I like the wig. I really do. I really do like the wig, and I like the fact that it's just put on and go, okay? So, you know, today I've been reviewing wigs and my hair is slicked back, okay? But if I decide to go to the store, I can easily just put this on. It won't even take me 5 minutes, okay? Go ahead and put this on and go to the store. If I want to wear my natural hair tomorrow, I can wear this wig Friday. You see what I'm saying? So it's really, I like it. Like I said, it is a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair, but I like it. It's really cute. Sorry, y'all, I got interrupted, so I don't even remember where I was at. But anywho, yeah, this is really cute. I really do like it. This is cute. And because this is a lace closure, you are only able to wear this wig as a middle part. But she's cute. I definitely like her. So I want to thank SITPRETTYHAIR for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys, let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the whole idea of braided wigs. Let me know if you like that idea. Let me know what you think about the color of this wig, the length. Remember, it is 28 inches, which is waist length, so she is long. So let me know how you feel about this wig, and would you rock this wig as well? Let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.